Bear hunting is a year-round obsession.
You know, not only the excitement of being able to go out there and hunt was the enjoyment of baiting bear. You wouldn't think it'd be a very exciting thing, but it ended up being something where you can put your trail cam on, something to do in the middle of summer when you know, you're kind of watching the deer, but you ain't all primed up about it. And it was a great experience, a good learning experience for me.
After months of baiting and waiting, the opening day sunrise arrives.
Got a lot of day left. Be alright, it's halfway cool. It's been here with the last couple days. So, not a bad day to be sitting. Beats a day at work. But, confident in the bait. Something will happen, just a matter of time, waiting it out.
Waiting it out would be the theme for Nick. The anticipation of a bear encounter would keep him in stand for the entire day. As the hours pass by, suddenly, the moment arrives. This black bear takes a good look around, but Foremost Outdoor TV pro staffer Nick Haas never releases an arrow. It looks like the opportunity has passed, but the bear returns just as quickly as he left. This time, Nick finishes the job.
Stand. I just got my first bear. What an awesome deal. That's great. Oh man. The anxiety of it, the anticipation. It's been a long day. It wears on your body. That bear came in and I shook so much every time. When he came in, I I mean, I had shots, but I just wanted to make it right. And oh man, he was right on us. And I thought then it was done. I thought that's it, you know? Oh, that's awesome. It's like, and it's 5 years in Wisconsin or 4 to 5. So it's like waiting for Christmas for 5 years. And wow. That's a heart thumper. First bear I ever killed. It was awesome. And he didn't go far. He's right there. He's deflating right there. Good shot too. Placed a good shot. Well, let's climb down and go get him. Got my arrow here, and my bear's right there. It all put a great shot on it. 35 to 40 yards away from my bait stump, and roughly a 20-yard shot. Got him right. It landed right where it needed to. Quick kill. Seeing him go down. Awesome hunt all the way.